Hello, fifth standard. In my first video for fifth standard, that is in my video in which I have explained with super senses, I began this lesson and I had completed with one full page along with these answers as I dictated you in my last video. I hope you all have written these answers. If not, then please see that you write these answers in your book itself, but with pencil. Now, we were talking about smell, and in this topic we were talking about ants, how ants are moving in line and line. They always remain in group, they always go on moving in line. Okay, so now we are on page number 3 of our EVS textbook. Please, if possible, then please take out your EVS textbook so that you can go through word to word along with me. Now, carefully, without harming the ant, block their path for a while with a pencil. Now observe how do the ant moves. See, now for example here ants are moving, and if you will put pencil here, अगर आप यहाँ पे पेंसिल रखते हो तो how ant will move. ओके, ant कैसे वहाँ से मूव होंगे. ants will move from the side of a pencil. ant उसकी साइड से मूव होना शुरू कर देंगे, या फिर अगर छोटी सी चीज़ होगी तो उसके ऊपर से भी जाएंगे. ओके, बट हेयर वी विल राइट द आंसर. ant will move from the side of a pencil. Now we'll continue. Many years ago, a scientist did many experiments like this. He found out that as the ant moves, they leave a smell on the ground, and other ants follow the smell to find the way. तो कई साइंटिस्ट ने ये एक्सपेरिमेंट भी किया था कि हाउ दीज एंड्स गो ऑन वॉकिंग इन लाइन. सो मैनी टाइम आफ्टर सो मैनी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, one of the scientists found that ant leave their smell behind, and by smelling that smell from ground, other all ant go on moving behind that ant. Okay, now can you guess why the ant behaved like that when you blocked their pencil? क्या आप गेस कर सकते हो कि एंट ऐसा क्यों बिहेव करते होंगे जिस तरह आपने यहाँ पर पेंसिल के साथ उनका रास्ता ब्लॉक कर दिया था. Have you? Some male insect can recognize their female by their smell. See, male and female. Male मतलब man, female मतलब woman. Man and woman is regarding human beings. But in animals also their male and female comes. So there are many male insects जो अपने female insects को उनकी smell से पहचानते हैं. Have you ever been troubled by mosquitoes? Just think how do they know where you are? क्या कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि मॉस्किटो आपको बहुत हैरान करता है? अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो कभी आपने सोचा है कि मॉस्किटो को कैसा पता चलता है कि where you are? Okay, very good question it is actually. Mosquito can find you by the smell of your body. They also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. See, कई बार होता है mosquito start biting on our legs and it goes on biting again and again. It start itching and we are just rubbing our body to get relaxed. But mosquito again and again sit on that part of the leg only where it starts biting. Why it is so? Because mosquito always come to know about our position because they get smell from our body. Okay, then further they also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. वो आपके पैरों की आवाज़ से भी आपको पहचान लेते हैं और आपकी बॉडी की गर्माहट से भी आपके पास वो आते हैं. Have you seen the dog sniffing and here and there What do you think it is trying to smell? कभी देखा है आपने डॉग को इस तरह हर जगह स्निफ करते हुए? डॉग हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सूंघता ही रहता है, राइट? बट वट डॉग इज स्निफिंग? डॉग हमेशा क्या सूंघता है? Dog mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty, that is latrine. Okay, तो डॉग हमेशा जो स्निफ करता है, डॉग एक तो अपना एरिया मार्क करके रखता है. यू माइट हैव सीन मैनी टाइम इट हैपन्स कि देर आर से लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमारी सोसाइटी में 2-3 डॉग्स आर देयर, and if suddenly one outside dog will come in our society, then all these 2-3 dogs will start barking on that dog. Why? Because they don't know that dog exactly. Okay, क्योंकि वो 2-3 डॉग एक साथ एक दूसरे के साथ फेमिलियर हो चुके हैं उनकी स्मेल की वजह से. बट जब कोई और अजनबी डॉग आता है तो एट दैट टाइम दोज ऑल डॉग गॉट टुगेदर एंड दे स्टार्ट बार्किंग ऑन दैट आउटसाइडर वाला डॉग. ये क्यों होता है? इट हैपन्स ओनली बिकॉज दे हैव वेरी गुड सेंस ऑफ स्निफिंग, स्मेल करने की सेंस, और वो अपने एरिया को मार्क करने के लिए उनके पास एक अलग ही तरीका है. दैट इज़ देयर यूरिन एंड देयर पॉटी. फ्रॉम दैट ओनली दे कैन मार्क देयर एरिया एंड दे इवन कम टू नो अबाउट के कोई और डॉग हमारे एरिया में आया था या कभी आया था या फिर अभी भी है, बाय दैट 2 थिंग्स ओनली, यूरिन और पॉटी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर डॉग. नाउ in what ways do the human being make use of this special sense of smell of dog? How? See, smell of dog, you might have seen in videos also. If there is some bomb blast going to take place, then police squad bring dog and dog start sniffing here and there, and finally he got the point where they sniff and they come to know about where the bomb is or where the harmful thing is. Okay, तो ह्यूमन बीइंग किस तरह से इस जो डॉग की ये जो कला है, स्मेल करने का जो सेंस है, उसको ह्यूमन बीइंग कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. जस्ट राइट दिस आंसर एज आई स्पीक और यू कैन सी इट इन वीडियो ऑल्सो, इट इज़ सीन क्लियरली. So please see and write this answer with pencil itself. Please don't use pen. Human beings make use of special sense of smell to recognize certain things. To recognize certain things. RECOGNISE. Recognize certain things. So कुछ चीज़ों की पहचान करने के लिए ह्यूमन बीइंग डॉग की ये स्पेशल सेंस को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. When do you find your sense of smell helps to you? List some examples like to know by its smell that food has gone bad or that something is burning. See, यहाँ पर एक दिया है, आप अपनी स्मेल का कब कब यूज़ कर सकते हो. Okay, see, we easily come to know whether it is good smell or bad smell. When we try some new perfume, we come to know about whether that perfume is having very strong smell or very light smell. And then if we have some if our mom is cooking something in kitchen, then also we easily come to know, okay, either mom is doing with Chinese or mom is cooking with some vegetable etc. by its smell, right? Apart from that, many time it happens stinking from shoes and socks. शूज़ एंड सॉक्सेस में से कई बार स्वेटिंग की वजह से काफ़ी स्मेल आती है. दैट इज़ बैड स्मेल, इसको स्टिंकिंग बोलते हैं. तो वो जो बैड स्मेल होती है, वो जो स्टिंकिंग होती है, तब भी हमें पता चलता है कि आवर शूज़ एंड सॉक्सेस आर स्टिंकिंग बैडली विद स्मेल ऑफ स्वेट. ओके, देन name the animals that you would be able to recognize only by their smell without seeing them. कुछ एनिमल्स के नाम जो आप देखो नहीं लेकिन उनकी स्मेल से पता चल जाए कि हाँ ये एनिमल है. So if you don't see dog and if you smell the dog, you will come to know that it is dog. Same for cow, buffalo, goat, hen, cock, etc. Okay. So mostly we can tell domestic animals we can come to know by their smell instead of seeing them. Once again I repeat the answer: dog, cow, buffalo, goat, hen, cock, etc. Most of domestic animals can be recognized by their smell. Okay everyone. Now on this page number 4 you have one tabular form in which you have to fill up the columns. See, already I have written with pencil. If you can see, you can write it, or else your question is on one side you have to write which smell you like the most, and on another side you have to write which smell you don't like. Okay, you have to do this exercise or this table you have to fill on your own. Okay, क्योंकि आपको स्मेल करने में क्या चीज़ अच्छी लगती है. सेलेक्ट फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, बहुत लोगों को पेट्रोल की स्मेल अच्छी लगती है और बहुत लोगों को पेट्रोल की स्मेल अच्छी नहीं लगती, राइट. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्मेल यू लाइक टू स्मेल and what kind of smell you don't like, that two things you have to write. All these blanks of this table should be completed, but please see that you write all this with pencil itself. Okay everyone, so this was page number 3 and 4 from the lesson number 1. Okay, so just go through this and see that you write these questions as well, and go through this much, how much I read today and in my earlier video. So from page number 1 to 4, go through it very nicely, and you can visit the app and you can go on with my explanation also wherever you don't understand the words. Okay, and once again I repeat, please always use pencils in your textbook, never use pen in your textbook. Okay then, just take care of yourself and stay at home and study well for your 5th standard. Take care. Bye bye.